Greetings, friends. Today we're going to explore the Jedox platform, a powerful tool for business intelligence and planning. Ready to dive into the details? Let's go. The site offers cloud-based solutions for financial planning, data analytics, and reporting. The platform combines over 150 built-in integrations with popular systems, including Excel, SAP, Power BI, and Salesforce, which speeds implementation compared to peers. More than 2,500 companies worldwide use Jedox, including giants such as Coca-Cola, Toyota, and DHL. Average implementation time is 4 to 6 weeks. Thanks to ready-made templates and a low-code environment, users report a 30 to 40% increase in financial process efficiency after implementing the platform. The exact subscription price is not listed on the website and is calculated individually based on company size and functionality. However, a free 30-day trial version is available to test the features. Automation of routine tasks. Reduce reporting time from 20 hours to 2 hours per week. Flexible real-time analytics using AI algorithms. Jedox is the choice for those who value speed and accuracy in business management. If the video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments about which platforms to talk about next. Success in your projects.